Kikoff focuses on reporting credit activity from small in-app credit purchases, while Credit Strong works more like a structured installment loan that reports payment history to credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know how each one builds credit, where they differ in impact, and which type of user each service actually fits. Start with Kikoff. Kikoff gives you a small line of credit inside its system. You make payments on that balance and those payments get reported to credit bureaus. Now, explain what that means. It creates credit activity based on consistent payments. That activity can help establish a basic credit history over time. Now move to Credit Strong. Credit Strong works differently. It uses installment loan accounts where you make fixed payments over a set period. Those payments are also reported to credit bureaus. Now explain the key difference. Kikoff is more like a revolving credit-style reporting system with controlled usage. Credit Strong is closer to a traditional installment loan structure. That difference matters because credit scoring models treat installment and revolving accounts differently. Now explain impact. Credit Strong tends to look more like traditional credit behavior because it mirrors real loan repayment. Kikoff is simpler and more limited in structure. Now explain who Kikoff is for. Kikoff is usually aimed at people who have little or no credit history and want something very simple to start reporting activity. There is minimal complexity in how you use it. Now, explain who Credit Strong is for. Credit Strong is often used by people who want to build credit using a more structured loan-style account. It can look more like standard credit history on a report. Now explain the limitation of both. Neither option guarantees a specific credit score outcome. Your credit score still depends on multiple factors like payment history across all accounts, utilization, and overall credit profile. Now, explain practical differences. Kikoff is easier to start with because it has a simpler setup and usage model. Credit Strong requires more structured repayment behavior because it operates like a loan account. Now summarize the key points. Kikoff builds credit through small reported credit activity inside its system. Credit Strong builds credit through installment loan-style payments. And both help build credit, but they fit different levels of structure and commitment. One practical next step. Check your current credit situation first, because beginners usually benefit more from Kikoff, while users who want stronger loan-style reporting may prefer Credit Strong. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools without the confusion.